UMLA kasengsan hima National People's Party na ronggara siju Rakkam Sangma uberi Myntri uberi kmi Tnad Pule ke sarkar jela ula Pynpaw ba ulong ba Kloi ban trei kumu Chowkidar ha office ka parti ru nada ka parti ban Myntri rang ba ukonrat ke Sangma ki Kwah ya kumta ya kane daga ba Pynpaw ba ka syong hakarai Myntri rang ba ban bujeli Myntri sarkar Rakkam ula jubab haka janmi jong ka sautre unailar araja arpusan haba kentho ya ki kubor kmi lenti bakan don ka jing ya bujeli Myntri namar ka sarkar MDA2 kala jandap ars nam siteng ka samoy trei kam jongka hakawai pat kaliang halor ke jingwan penyaso NPP uba Ronnie V Lingdo UMLA na malim Rakkam ulaong baka parti kam Kwah nrei ka ai mensim ya ki noilam ban wan penyaso.
We have to discuss. It's a prerogative of the Honorable Chief Minister and our party top leaders. So for me, I'm happy everywhere. Even I've been given the opportunity to become a Chowkidar of the party. I am ready for even to be a Chowkidar of the party. You see the political dynamics in the state and even in the country. So somebody says it's a poaching. No, NPP doesn't poach, but NPP inspired. So if somebody excited, if somebody inspired, no force can stop that player. So therefore joining former LO and chief whip of the opposition joining the party is a very welcoming story for us, and this really inspired even like a junior member like this. So like a senior people joining the party is like a father figure for us. This really bring up the boost of the party workers at the party. This is testament to how this under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Chief Minister and all the top leaders of the party is inspiring. Then developmental activities, they committed for the cause, committed for the service of the people. This really sending the message. This speak a lot.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.